Welcome to the tutorial on creating a method in monitoringresources.org. This tutorial will focus on the steps to create a method. Open a web browser and navigate to Monitoring Resources, or by using www.monitoringresources.org. You can go to Document, Methods, and it will take you to the method library. Once you've reached the method library and you're logged in, you can select the Create a Method button. The following pop-up will give you the options to create a new method or to customize an existing method. Before creating a new method, please use the method library to search for any methods similar to yours. You can do this by searching for keywords that may match your specific method's purpose. If you find a method similar to the method you're about to create, you can customize an existing method and save yourself some time. We are going to select Create a New Method. Ensure the method is replicable by others not familiar with your process. Clearly state what the method will measure or analyze. Document background, a detailed number stepwise procedure, and any necessary equipment, software, or statistical packages. Methods can be used for multiple protocols, so avoid specifying your organization, location details, or data management unique to your organization. Use the study plan to record information specific to your study. Select whether your method can be viewed by everyone or just you and your colleagues. To learn how to add colleagues, please see the training video on how to add a colleague in Monitoring Resources. The method title should be concise but informative, and your method name should be unique to help differentiate your method from other methods. For example, Red Count Survey is more helpful and descriptive than just Reds. Please do not include acronyms, organization affiliations, or other product-specific details in your title or anywhere in the method. For example, if we're interested in documenting a method pertaining to substrate sampling, we can name it Substrate Sampling in Tributary Streams. Finally, select whether or not your method type is for data collection or for data analysis and interpretation. Methods represent the step-by-step process applied to analyzing and summarizing data after collection. For this example, we will focus on data collection. Once complete, please hit the Create a Method button, and it will take you to the next screen. You have now created a method on monitoringresources.org. To learn about editing a method, adding pictures and forms, versioning a method, and publishing a method, please see those tutorials. Thank you for joining us on how to create a method in Monitoring Resources. Have a great day.